I am going to show you the updated method of how to put music on your Instagram profile, but if this method doesn't work for you, I will also show you how to make it work. We quickly enter the Instagram app and go to our profile. In this part here, we enter the Instagram profile. Once we are in this session, we click on the edit profile option and several options will appear. We scroll down to display more options, and as you can see, it says music here. We will enter this part. If it doesn't appear, I will show you how to activate this option shortly. Once we are in the music section, we will be able to choose the song from our favorite artist. We will copy, for example, here a reggaeton artist, Tego Calderon. Here all of Tego's songs will appear and we can listen to whichever we want. Look. And here we select the song fragment. This fragment or piece of song will be heard by people who visit our profile, and we click on the check mark to continue. Here we can also delete it and search for another song if we wish. Once we click continue, the song we chose appears here, and if we go back to the profile, you can see that we have the option to play the song. So in this part, whoever clicks here on the player will be able to listen to the song fragment we chose. Look, this is how it would sound. So if you don't see this option I showed you, I am going to show you how to check Instagram to verify this music option. This music option only appears in the Instagram app updated to the latest version. So let's go to the Play Store to see which version of Instagram we have, and we'll go to the search bar and type Instagram. Here it appears. As you can see, we tap on Instagram and you can see that we have the option to open Instagram. This means we have it in the latest version. If you chose update for you, you need to click on update, and this way the option to add music to your profile will be activated, so keep that in mind. Also check the description of this video where I leave more recommended videos about various tricks and tips on Instagram, which I'm sure will get you out of many troubles and help you optimize Instagram to the fullest. See you next time. Dehro sa de